Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today I have another video card that I want to show you guys. This is the XFX RX 580. It's got 8 gigs. It is overclocked. This is the GTS edition from XFX, and the video card has a lot of power. You can actually do virtual reality with this, and for a very, very cheap entry level. So the video card has dual fans, which is proper airflow to get all the heat off when you're playing video games or doing benchmarks and that type of thing. We're going to be taking this video card and building an AMD computer, and we're going to use it and benchmark it, and we'll show you guys how this performs. So we're probably going to be using performanc or maybe the Unreal 3D engine to see how it performs. But for a really, really good price, you can get a lot of performance out of this video card. Like I said previously, we'll have more products coming in for you guys, and you can take a look at what we'll be doing in the future. So if you have any questions on any of the products, you can check our website at impresscomputers.com. Leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.